Many people think that you have to be a culinary expert in order to eat a Mediterranean diet. But did you know that the healthiest people in the world cook, for the most part, incredibly simple meals that are full of flavor with incredible health benefits? Today I'm going to share with you 10 of my absolute favorite and easiest Mediterranean recipes. For more insightful videos about the Mediterranean diet, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. Almost 20 years ago, I made my first visit to the Greek island of Crete in order to learn more about how the people on the island lived. This incredibly beautiful island was where the first studies on the Mediterranean diet occurred. Back then, they had the highest longevity rates in the world, and the men lived to be the same age as the women. I traveled into the villages in Crete where they continued to eat the way they did 100 years ago. I discovered that they were cooking incredibly simple recipes full of lots of extra virgin olive oil, fresh herbs, vegetables, beans, and occasional grass-fed meat and farm-raised fish. I ended up writing with Kula Varadakis, a chef from Crete, our best-selling cookbook called Foods of Crete: Traditional Recipes from the Healthiest People in the World. I think what I learned and what you will see from the recipes I'm about to share with you is that eating the authentic Mediterranean diet doesn't require a lot of cooking skills.
I don't even have any good skills.
Let's begin with recipe number 1, Greek salad, which is one of the first Mediterranean foods I ever tried and still one of my favorite Mediterranean dishes. In Greece, a meal often begins with a classic Greek salad, also known as horiatiki. This dish features a harmonious recipe of ripe tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, sharp red onions, briny Kalamata olives, and thick slabs of creamy feta cheese. Traditionally, this salad is dressed with a good amount of extra virgin olive oil, sometimes with a splash of vinegar or a squeeze of lemon. It's a staple that dates back to the rural farming communities of Greece, where it was a way to use up the day's harvest. Rich in antioxidants and heart-healthy fats, it's perfect as a nutritious lunch. You can serve this with whole grain sourdough bread to soak up the flavorful juices and enjoy with a chilled glass of white Greek wine for an authentic experience. Recipe number 2, Greek Brinam, or baked summer vegetables. Brinam is a testament to the Greek philosophy of using whatever the garden offers. This roasted vegetable dish includes a vibrant mixture of zucchini, eggplant, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Each vegetable is sliced and layered with generous drizzles of olive oil and a sprinkle of herbs like oregano and thyme, then baked until everything melds into a flavorful, caramelized medley. Brinam is often enjoyed with feta cheese crumbled on top and a hearty loaf of country bread to absorb the rich olive oil-based sauce, making it a fulfilling vegetarian main course or a side dish to grilled meats or fish. Recipe number 3, Lebanese Hummus. Hummus is more than just a dip in Lebanese culture. It's a culinary staple with a history that spans many generations, often claimed by multiple Middle Eastern cultures. It's made from chickpeas, tahini, garlic, and lemon, and this creamy, earthy blend is traditionally served as part of a meze platter. It's enjoyed with warm, fluffy pita bread or fresh vegetables for dipping. Packed with protein and fiber, hummus supports digestive health and is a versatile staple in any Mediterranean kitchen. Recipe number 4, loaded tzatziki, or yogurt sauce. This sauce combines thick strained yogurt with grated cucumber, garlic, and fresh herbs like dill or mint. Tzatziki is a staple in Greek households, especially during the summer months when its cooling properties are most appreciated. It's traditionally served with grilled chicken or beef such as souvlaki or gyros, or simply as a dip with warm bread. Its probiotic-rich profile makes it a healthy addition, promoting gut health and aiding digestion. Recipe number 5, Mediterranean fish stew. This Mediterranean fish stew, often associated with coastal regions like Provence and the broader Mediterranean, is a showcase of the sea's bounty. It features a simple base of onions, carrots, and potatoes into which various types of whitefish are gently simmered. The dish is akin to many fish stews of the Mediterranean regions, which depend on the catch of the day. Seasoned with a hint of smoked paprika, the stew is both nourishing and heartwarming, providing a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Traditionally, it's served with a toasted baguette or salad, making it a hearty meal that celebrates the fisherman's daily catch. Recipe number 6, pasta alla puttanesca with canned tuna. Pasta alla puttanesca is a dish with a story as vibrant as its ingredients. Originating from Naples, the name translates to pasta in the style of a prostitute.
Oh, behave.
Hinting at its bold, assertive flavors that comes from olives, capers, anchovies, and garlic. The addition of canned tuna makes this version particularly robust and nourishing. It's said that the dish was a quick, easy meal that could be prepared between client visits. Today, it's celebrated for its depth of flavor and versatility. Tuna adds a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, making this dish a powerhouse for heart health. Serve it hot with a sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan and a glass of red wine for a true Italian experience. Recipe number 7, quinoa tabuli. Quinoa tabuli is a modern adaptation of the traditional Middle Eastern salad, usually made with bulgur wheat. This version uses quinoa, a grain that has been cultivated in the Andean region of South America for thousands of years before making its way to kitchens around the globe. Quinoa is gluten-free, high in protein, and a fantastic source of all 9 essential amino acids, making it a favorite among health enthusiasts. In this dish, it's combined with fresh parsley, mint, tomatoes, and a zesty lemon olive oil dressing, offering a refreshing side or light meal that symbolizes the blend of old and new culinary traditions. Recipe number 8, spinach and ricotta frittata. In southern Italy, the frittata serves as a versatile dish that can appear at any meal. The spinach and ricotta frittata incorporates eggs, fresh ricotta, and sautéed spinach, providing a smooth texture and rich flavor. This dish is said to have evolved from the simpler cucina povera, or peasant cooking, where leftovers and simple ingredients were transformed into satisfying meals. Ideal for any time of day, it's particularly popular at Italian Easter celebrations. Rich in iron from the spinach and calcium from the ricotta, it's not only delicious, but also a nutritional powerhouse, perfect for a quick brunch or a light dinner. Recipe number 9, Tuscan white bean and sausage soup. This hearty soup from Tuscany, known locally as zuppa toscana, is robust and comforting. It combines cannellini beans, Italian sausage, and kale in a savory broth infused with garlic and Italian herbs. The soup's origins can be traced back to the rustic, hearty fare typical of Tuscan cuisine, designed to satisfy the appetites of working-class Italians. Each ingredient offers health benefits, from the fiber-rich beans promoting digestive health to the protein-packed sausage sustaining energy levels. It's often enjoyed with a slice of crusty bread, perfect for dipping into the flavorful broth embodying the essence of a Tuscan meal. Recipe number 10, Greek yogurt with honey.
Yogurt!
Ending on a sweet note, this simple dessert of Greek yogurt topped with honey is a testament to the Greek philosophy of using high-quality natural ingredients. Greek yogurt is known for its thick, creamy texture and is a staple in Greece, where it is used in both savory and sweet dishes. When drizzled with honey, it becomes a delightful treat that balances the tanginess of the yogurt with the sweetness of the honey. This dish is often enjoyed as a breakfast or a dessert, and it's enriched with probiotics for digestive health and honey for its natural energy-boosting properties. Add fresh fruits and nuts to enhance the texture and nutritional value, making it a wholesome, indulgent treat. What I really want you to know about the Mediterranean diet is that it is completely attainable by anyone, and it doesn't take crazy cooking skills. I think you will also become more adventurous with your cooking once you have some success at the dinner table. Let me know if you try any of these recipes, which, by the way, are all linked below. Check out hundreds more of our authentic Mediterranean recipes at MediterraneanLiving.com. And finally, remember to live with purpose, love with abandon, and eat with passion.